Hi Cairns West families, here we are in the Cairns West kitchen and with me today we have Terry. Terry's new to Cairns West, so do you want to say hello Terry to all our families?
Morning all families. So before we start cooking, we're just going to quickly wash our hands for a good 20 seconds, make sure all the germs are off it.
Good job. Okay, so I'll just jump in and then make sure we're getting in between the fingers, around the wrist. Rinsing off. In the shape. Now we're ready for cooking. Today, again, we're cooking from the Deadly Tucker cookbook and we're going to cook what's called an egg bake. It is a really simple recipe, similar to an omelette or a frittata. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is prepare our vegetables. These are some vegetables that were left over from a yesterday cook, so we're going to use some of those. Terry's going to do the spring onions, just sliced thinly, and I'm going to put in some broccoli. So, try and keep all the veggies a similar size. And we're going to take the florets, or floral bits. I'm going to chop them up quite fine because these aren't cooked, they're going to cook in the oven. These vegetables, however, are cooked from yesterday. You can use anything in this recipe. You can use any kind of vegetable, frozen vegetables, leftovers, and if you want, you could add some leftover cooked chicken or some ham.
Alright, so I've already cracked 4 eggs. I'm just about to do the last 2, so I'll just do that quickly. This one. I'm just going to whisk that together.
Like you've done this before, Terry?
Like an omelette.
You know there's lots of great cooks out there, but we just like to stay connected through cooking, trying to cook remotely with you from our kitchen to yours. Yep. So, okay, looks great. So, in go the vegetables. You want to give it a stir, Terry?
Yep, no worries. Yep, so I just finished stirring it up with the eggs, and I'm just going to pour it in this baking tray.
We've just put a little bit of oil in the tray first, before we put the mixture in. So that's
bowl.
Lovely. Now we're just going to put some cheese on the top. And it goes into the oven at 200 degrees. I'll just check the temp. And it takes 20 minutes. So you can check it in 20 minutes. If you feel like it needs a little bit more, go right ahead. But 20 minutes should be fine. Rightio, so this has been in the oven for 20 minutes, maybe a little bit longer. We've had it sit here for a bit. We're going to cut it. We're going to bring it out, and oh, it looks pretty good. So, Terry, you want to have a taste?
No worries. Love to.
As I said, you could eat this on its own, you could have it with a salad, or maybe if you had some sausages or something to have with it.
Beautiful.
Good. Okay, so that's from the Cairns West kitchen to yours, connecting through cooking. Hope you have a great day. Thanks, Terry.